Okay, we have a delivery service will accept a box for shipment only if the sum of its length and its girth, which is the distance around here, does not exceed 60 inches. What are the dimensions of a box with a square end which has a girth of 40 inches and a volume of 500, that should be cubic inches? And will this box be accepted for shipment? Okay, so suppose the girth, let's call G the girth, and let's assume that G is equal to 40 and that the end is square, so these two sides are the same size. So whatever x is, let's call this variable x, which is the length from here to here on the end. That's also equal to the length from here to here. So we have the volume of the box is 500 cubic inches, and that's x squared times the length, which we're going to call L. And the question is, what are the dimensions of this box, which has a square end and the girth is 40 inches? Now we can write the girth in terms of x here. It's just 4x. So we know 4x is 40, and that tells us what x is. So that gives us x is 10, and the volume is now 100 times the length. And so that tells us, therefore, we have 500 is 100 times the length, and the length is 5 inches. So the length of such a box is 5 inches, and its volume is 500 cubic inches, and the question is, can we ship this thing with this delivery service? And the constraint is that the length plus the girth should be less than or equal to 60 inches. And for this box, we have 5 plus the girth is 40 is equal to 45, so that's okay. We can ship. And the dimensions of the box, of course, are the length 5 by x by x.